Hello. In this short lecture, I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question is that the universe was created in two stages. The first stage, in the first stage, actually the pre-universe, there was nothing in the pre-universe, and um, uh, basic elements were created. And in the second stage, that is the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. So now I will return to the first stage. In the first stage, when the basic elements were created, there was nothing in the universe. And nothing is defined as quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations is defined as a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from that change or changes, virtual particles can be created. And from that virtual particles, real particles can be created. And from that real particles, actually the basic elements has been created. So that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. And the second stage in the creation of the universe is the Big Bang stage. And this stage in the pre-universe, all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point. And actually the density of that point was infinite. And for that reason it exploded, and in that way all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, so that was the two stages in the creation of the universe. Now I will answer on the second question, how nothing was created. The answer to that question is very simple. Nothing was never created. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. Nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay, so we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stages, there was nothing in the universe. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations, and in that stage, basic elements were created. And in the second stage of the universe, the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. And nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.